Hello everyone! In this time we are going to remember the past simple. The last weeks we were working with the past simple of regular verbs, but this week we are going to start with the irregular verbs. So here we have past simple of irregular verbs. Some of them change completely and others do not change. You need to memorize them. For example, the verbs that change we have take, this is the base form, and past took. But here there are some that don't change. Put, put. We also have a list of verbs. Do you remember the list of verbs that you have in your notebook? This is part of this list. For example, here we have buy, bought, catch, caught, eat, ate, drink, drank, etc. So please remember that you need to practice and practice all of these verbs, the base form and the past. With these verbs, we can write sentences. We have positive and negative sentences. For positive sentences, you need subject, the verb in past, and the complement. For example, here we have, she went to the beach last summer. My friends made some cupcakes for my birthday. And for the negative sentences, you need the subject, didn't or did not, plus the base form of the verb and the complement. As you can see here, we have the verb in base form. So, I didn't read my cousin's comics yesterday. He didn't put on his pajamas last night. Here, we don't need to change the verb because here we have the auxiliary verb, in this case, didn't. We also have two types of questions. The first question is yes or no questions. For the irregular verbs, we have here did, this is the auxiliary verb that helps us speak in past. Here we have the subject, the base form of the verb, and the complement. The characteristic of these questions is that you can answer yes or no. For example, did he swim in the river last Sunday? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. And the second type of the question is this, double H questions. In this case, we are going to use this word, what, then the auxiliary verb did, the subject, do, and the complement. For example, here we have, what did he do in the river last Sunday? He swam in the river last Sunday. As you can see here, we have the past of the verb swim. And we use here in the sentence. So we have to answer in a complete way because the characteristic of this question is that you have to give information. Let's practice. Here we have Dana's things to do list. Now here we have some activities that she has to do. For example, eat lunch, write a letter to Maya, read a good book, go to the swimming pool, do the homework. And here we are going to say the things that she did. For example, here we have ate lunch. Number 1, Dana ate lunch. Number 2, she a letter to Maya. Here we have the base form write. And the past form of write, yes, wrote. So the sentence is, she wrote a letter to Maya. Number 3, she a good book. Here we have the present, read, and here, yes, read. What's the difference between these two spelling? The difference is that for the base form you pronounce read, and for the past read. She read a book. So here we have she to the swimming pool. Here we have go. So the past is went. And the sentence we have here, she went to the swimming pool. The last activity, Dana did do homework. So here the past, very good. She did her homework. And that's the end of the class. Please remember to keep practicing and do the activities in your book. Thank you so much. Bye.